Welcome back, True Drive Reviews, and welcome to pure power wrapped in absolute luxury. Today we're unveiling the 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Luxury Motorhome, a commanding 605 horsepower masterpiece built for those who demand prestige, performance, and comfort without compromise. At its core, this motorhome is driven by a massive 605 HP turbo diesel engine, delivering relentless torque and smooth acceleration even under heavy load. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission and adaptive air suspension, the T-2000 glides effortlessly across highways, while maintaining rock-solid stability. Long-distance travel feels calm, confident, and refined, no matter the terrain. The exterior design is bold and timeless, finished in a deep midnight black metallic paint with mirror-polished chrome accents. The aerodynamic hood, signature Kenworth chrome grille, and sharp LED matrix headlights give this motorhome a powerful presence. Panoramic tinted windows blend seamlessly into the body, enhancing both style and privacy, while polished alloy wheels and chrome side steps complete its commanding stance. Step inside and the world outside fades away. The cockpit features premium black and cream leather captain seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions. A fully digital driver display, advanced navigation, and intelligent vehicle monitoring systems put complete control at your fingertips. Every surface reflects craftsmanship, comfort, and purpose. The living area feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. Plush leather sofas, real wood cabinetry, brushed aluminum details, and soft ambient LED lighting create a warm, elegant atmosphere. A large, smart TV with surround sound transforms the space into a private entertainment lounge, perfect for relaxation after long journeys. The gourmet kitchen is fully equipped with marble-style countertops, an induction cooktop, convection oven, microwave, full-size refrigerator, wine cooler, and intelligently designed storage. Every detail is built for both functionality and elegance, making life on the road effortless. Move into the master bedroom, where comfort takes center stage. A king-size bed with a premium mattress, ambient lighting, overhead storage, wireless charging, and a private smart TV create a peaceful retreat. The bathroom rivals a five-star hotel, featuring a glass-enclosed rainfall shower, designer vanity, luxury fixtures, and a premium vacuum toilet system. Technology powers every experience inside the T-2000. Solar panels, lithium battery storage, an onboard generator, smart climate zones, satellite internet, and full smart home controls ensure complete independence wherever you travel. Advanced safety systems like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and collision mitigation add confidence to every mile. The 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Luxury Motorhome isn't just transportation. It's a statement of freedom, dominance, and refined living, built for those who lead, explore, and travel without limits. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your continued support. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the journey. See you in the next luxury ride.